the previous videos, we have seen what is the definition of system call, why we need system call. So basically, we all do our working in user mode, and we have to switch to kernel mode to do some work like accessing the hardware. So for switching between user to kernel mode, we have to use system call, and system call is used for many work, like if you wanted to access the device, if you wanted to do any file related work, if you wanted to do any process related work. So system call is used for many work. So all work can be basically mainly categorized into five different things. What are these five things? First one is file related work, second one is information related work, third one is device related work, fourth one is communication related work, fifth one is process related work. So let us discuss each one of them. So for file related work, like if you wanted to open any file, wanted to close any file, wanted to read any file, write any file, or create any file, for these all things we have to go through system call, and these system calls are categorized under the file name, file. And other system calls are like get PID, get PPID, get attribute. What are these? Get PID means if you are running any process, so knowing the getting the ID of that process is called get PID. So if any process, if you wanted to know the ID of that process, you have to go through get PID. And if you have any process and you wanted to know the parent process name, so basically every parent has different processes, and these are called child processes. So knowing the child ID, you have to write get PID. But getting the information or ID of a parents process, so you have to go through get PPID, get parents process ID. Attribute, what is attribute? So basically if you have any file like video, so video is a file, but here video has lots of metadata like size of video, name of video, when last time video get modification. These are all the data are called attribute of a video. So if you wanted the attribute of any file, so you have to go through attribute, which is under the information. Next one is device related system call. What are these? If you wanted to read any device or write any device, or if you want any IO control. IO control means if you wanted the control of input and output. For these all things, we have to go through a system call under the category of device. Another one is communication. Basically, there are lots of processes undergo in any operating system. So these processes intercommunicate intercommunicate with themselves. So for communication, they have to create a connection. For they have to delete the connection, or they can communicate with the help of a pipe. So all these communication system call are under the communication system call. Another one is process system call. What does this mean? You have to load any process, execute any process, allocate anything for process, or abort any process. And one of the important thing is fork any process. Fork means if you have any process, let's suppose you have any process, okay, and wanted to create a child process that runs simultaneously with the parents process, so you have to fork the process. The fork process, if you fork any process, then a child process of that process will be created, and this process will run simultaneously with the parent process, and this is called the forking. So for the all work, you have to go through a system call, and these system call are mainly categorized into five category: file, information, device, communication, and process. So I hope you from this video you understand about system call, what are the different uh, categories of system calls, and meanings of some of the important system calls which are fall under this category. So in the next video we are going ahead in the topic of operating system. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. we are going to complete each and every topic of operating system and system design. There are I am running basically two different topics. First one is system design and other one is operating system. So if you wanted to learn any of these topics, stay tuned with me YouTube channel.